All right, we're out here with the homeowner on this particular project. Further down the wall is actually bowing inward, and we're going to give him a quote for putting some steel I-beam support up there. But then the homeowner actually showed us in the basement, which we'll go back down into in a second here, how this section inside the basement has the most signs of water intrusion. There's a gutter coming down here, so if this gets jammed, it doesn't have anywhere to go except back this way. And he's currently shoveling off the patio. Throw that level back on the patio there. You can see everything flows back at the house. So now I'm just going to walk back through the house, show you the corner here. That same, what would that be? That'd be the northeast corner. Walk back through the house. We'll just keep the camera running the whole time so you can see there's no trickery here. Take my shoes off. Hey pup. Yeah, we're gonna get your basement dry, don't worry. Mud Tech has to handle all kinds of crazy situations like this. This is the section of wall that's bowing, along with this section here. Let me see if we can find the lights now. So now I'm walking back towards, I don't want that light. Although that, okay, come on. There we go. I think there we go. So now here we're in that northeast corner again. Focus. You can see this is where all the moisture is going. So in this case, the patio is absolutely shedding water at the basement, and the basement is not designed with its existing drain tile configuration to resist this moisture intrusion. I think my lens is fogging up. What I think's happening here. So to get this moisture out of the wall that's clearly coming in through these cracks up here. It's coming in through these cracks because when it's cracked inside, it's also cracked outside, and the water's coming right in. To get this moisture out of here, we actually have to cut sections of the floor along the wall. The toilet's got to come back. That can go back into place when we're done. But the hot tub, unfortunately, that has to get moved out of the path of our work. So the tiling is going to get messed up in this process, but if you get a good tiler in here, then afterwards you can put everything back the way it was. But it certainly will take care of this mess as well. Mud Tech out.